I'm Sarah and I've been a social worker for 15 years. I wanted to become a social worker quite simply because I wanted to work with people. And through Staffordshire County Council, I have embraced many of the challenges and the complexities that come with social work practice. Having said that, my motivation still remains the same, and I am as passionate about social work now as I was 15 years ago when I first started out. Staffordshire County Council have really embraced that idea of looking at different ways of working, both flexibly in terms of the IT equipment that's available via smart working and laptops and all those other kinds of devices, but equally matched with this idea of agile working, where you can really look at the parts of the day when you really need to be in practice. In Staffordshire, we're really lucky because via the multi-agency safeguarding hub, where the emergency duty service is based, along with a number of other teams as well, we have the opportunity to work with a range of different professionals, from the police through to healthcare professionals, education professionals, and bring in a lot of information that enables us to really focus on safeguarding children and identifying vulnerable adults and offering them the support and care that they may need. During the last 15 years, I've had the opportunity to work on a number of different teams within Staffordshire County Council. Following that, and the birth of my first daughter, I took an opportunity to work a little bit more flexibly and join the emergency duty service. So I've worked on the emergency duty service for 8 years. It's a county-wide service and we cover every aspect of social care, children's, adults and mental health. In the last couple of years, I've undertaken my Practice Educators Award, which has meant that I can mentor students into practice, which has been hugely rewarding and I've really enjoyed. I've also had the opportunity to take a role as a lecturer on a part-time basis at Staffordshire University, working with final year students. Staffordshire is a beautiful county and there's lots of places to visit and explore, both with family and on an individual basis. One of the main parts to frontline social work is obviously going out and doing the visits. So really going out and doing those visits is a bit about knocking on the door and making those connections and those relationships, and that isn't always easy. But it's still absolutely crucial to the job and the part that I most enjoy. I think there's a real sense of achievement when you can find a positive outcome, particularly in the face of adversity. And that's where the reward in social work comes from. For me, social work has become so much more than just a career. It's been about a commitment to achieving positive change in people's lives.